Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Processor AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, 8C 16T, 3. 2/4.4 GHz, 4 MB L2/16 of a megabyte L3. Memory 16 GB DDR4 RAM memory slots, 2 DDR4 SO-DIMM slots, dual channel capable. Storage support non-RTX 3060 model. Up to 2 drives, 1 by 2.5 inches HDD plus 1 XM2 2242 SSD or 1 XM2 and 2242 2280 SSD plus 1 XM2 2242 SSD. 2.5 inches HDD up to 1 TB, M.2 2242 SSD up to 512 GB, M.2 2280 SSD up to 1 TB. Hard drive 512 GB SSD M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 x 4 NVMe. Graphics 4 GB RTX 3050 NVIDIA GeForce. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 x 1080, IPS 250 nits anti-glare, 120 Hz, 45% NTSC, DC dimmer. Camera 720p HD camera with privacy shutter. Audio 2x2W stereo speakers, audio chip, high definition HD audio, Realtek ALC 3287 codec speakers, stereo speakers, 2WX2 Nahimic audio. Battery integrated 45 Wh max battery life, mobile Mark 2018. 5 hours, 45 Wh, power adapter 170W slim tip, 3-pin. Ultimate performance. In compromised battery life, they say you can't have high performance and long battery life on the same laptop. They say that a performance gaming laptop has to be big, bulky, and heavy. They're wrong. Now you can enjoy elite gaming on a thin and light notebook. With amazing battery life, thanks to the new AMD Ryzen 5000H series mobile processors. Never compromise on your gaming laptop again. Ultimate performance for gamers and creators. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop GPUs deliver the ultimate performance for gamers and creators. They're powered by Ampere, NVIDIA's second general RTX architecture, with new ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multi-processors for a huge leap in performance. Experience the most realistic ray-traced graphics, cutting-edge new features, and the power of AI in thin and light designs. Xbox Game Pass. Discover your next favorite game. Play over 100 high-quality PC games for one low monthly price with Xbox Game Pass. Welcome to the top tier of gaming visuals. Game at pro-level speeds and visuals. Play AAA titles at their highest resolution settings with an up to -165 Hz FHD, 1920 by 1080 IPS display for stunning visuals in ultrafine detail, paired with smooth, tear-free frame rates. Experience games as intended at 100% sRGB on a near bezel-less screen. A killer keyboard. The right keyboard ergonomics and performance can snatch victory away from defeat. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 Gen 6 keyboard's 1.5mm full key travel and 100% N-key rollover helps you rack up kills while gaming against the white backlight and optional 4-zone RGB keyboard for full immersion. Calibrated to deliver maximum edge. Get the edge you need with inspired enhancements such as the IdeaPad Gaming 3 Gen 6, a 30% larger one-piece touchpad. Enjoy gaming-focused Nahimic audio, featuring immersive 7.1-channel surround sound that acts as a radar to pinpoint your targets on the battlefield. Faster, cooler, quieter. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 General 6 runs faster and cooler than previous generations, with a raised thermal ceiling that dissipates 41% more heat, 120 W. Its cutting-edge thermals more than double the airflow, with twice as many air outlets and up to 4 heat pipes.